What if I tell you that this pizza was not made with flour, but with a ripe plantain? Yes, you heard me right. Pay attention and calm down. Let me show you how I achieved this. Now, all you need is your ripe plantain. Cut your ripe plantain, peel it and grate it with your grater. And if you don't have a grater, you can use your blender to blend it. All the same, it will still work. Before I continue this recipe, let me use this opportunity to greet my audience. Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting recipe. I hope you are jubilating on what you are seeing. After I'm done grating the plantain, I'm going to slice my veggies. Here I'm making use of 3 colors of paprika, the green, the red and the yellow one. Once I'm done with the veggies, I will get a clean frying pan, dress it with vegetable oil or a melted butter. Then I will lay in the grated plantain inside it and spread it around to cover the frying pan. Then I will put it on fire and heat for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I'm going to flip it over to cook on the other side for extra 1 minute. Here I'm using the spatula to make sure that I pressed the plantain so that it will lap very well on the bottom of the frying pan. Now I'm going to move in with my fillings. Firstly, I'm going to spread my ketchup. Once that is done, I'm going to use my spatula to spread it around so that it will touch all the edges of the plantain. Now I'm going to move in with mozzarella cheese to cover up the ketchup. Next is to move in with my chicken ham. Feel free to use whatever protein you have. You can use tuna fish, you can use sardine, anything you have at all. Feel free to use it. Then I will move in with my different colors of paprika. Then I will move in again with my mozzarella cheese. Then I will repeat the same process until I'm okay with the quantity. And I will cover it and heat on a low heat for 5 minutes. Finally, my plantain pizza is ready. Very healthy, very delicious. Try this recipe and I bet you won't be using flour to make your pizza again. Now, at the rate of 1 to 10, can we see your rating in the comment section, please? And also tell us if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you all for watching and do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all again in my next video. Bye-bye.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't have moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly. Add the pepper let burst more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop ginger.